Hey there, this is Peter Veksleman, and so today what I want to do is I want to teach you a very important concept. My friend Mike here, who can't stop laughing, and we weren't even supposed to do this video, but I'm working with Mike, helping him develop his business. He's a coaching client of mine, and we've been working for what, a couple months now, month or two?
A couple months, almost 3 years.
Couple months, and so Mike was totally frustrated. He calls me, what, about a week or two ago?
Right.
Yeah, Mike calls me, and he's like, Pete, I got to come in, I got to see you. I gotta see you. You know, things aren't going well. They're not working. I'm just, you know, I'm can't get traction. So Mike comes in here today, and I wasn't even expecting to do a video, but this is such a critical thing that what Mike was doing to what everybody needs to do. I thought I'd do a video and kind of give you an example. So one of the things that I'm doing with Mike is we're making offers, right?
Right.
We're making offers to for sale by owners, which every investor needs to do. For sale by owners is what I always tell people. That's really where the action is. When you have the ability to work directly with owners of real estate, not necessarily have intermediaries and agents involved. And so, how are you making offers to for sale by owners?
Well, I was calling.
He was
I
calling.
was calling people and asking if they want to sell their home.
Okay. All right. Don't say anything else.
Okay.
That's perfect. Okay. That's the funny part about it, because for the amount of time that he and I have been working together, I was very clear that when the strategy that he and I are using right now is not a calling strategy, it is actually a contacting directly through certain website strategy. So Mike's sitting here and he's telling me all this stuff, and I'm sitting here saying, Mike, look, you're not doing what I'm telling you to do. And we kind of had a little back and forth where he's telling me that I don't know, you know, I didn't tell him that, even though I've been telling this people for 10 years and all that. And the bottom line is we resolved it. Mike now understands. Here's the point, and we've been laughing here for 10 minutes pretty much uncontrollably because Mike's he's a pretty funny guy. But here's the point that I want to make. In this business, sometimes the difference between being successful and not successful is not like 50 miles apart, it's literally a couple inches apart. But those couple inches literally could be the difference between you making money and you not only not making money, but being very, very stressed about it, and which is really what you became. Very stressed, you know, down, thinking, what did you say?
I was spinning my wheels.
Spinning your wheels. Yeah. You see what I mean? So it's those 2 inches sometimes that, you know, you're doing kind of the right concept, you're doing kind of the right techniques, you're doing kind of the right strategy, but you're not exactly doing it the way you're supposed to be doing it. And so one of the things I always encourage everybody to do is check and double check what you're doing. Look, I know you can't just check with yourself. You know, Mike's lucky, he's got someone like me, he popped in here, we talked about it, I caught it right away. But always find somebody in your world, in your life, in your business that can check what you're doing. Don't be afraid to kind of lay out what you're doing to people that are more successful than you. Again, it's not that you're 50 miles apart, but sometimes those extra 2 inches of doing something could literally mean the difference between you making money and you not making money. Now, are we on track now?
Yes.
Yeah, we made a couple small changes?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to have Mike back here in a couple weeks, and we're going to do this video again as a follow-up, and we're going to talk specifically about the results you're getting. So remember, be very specific, be very strategic with what you're doing. And if you think you're off, if you think you're not, well, you know if you're off. You know if you're not if you're not getting results. Verify and check with people that are more successful than you, especially that people that are utilizing those strategies. And sometimes those little couple inches could mean the difference between frustration, spinning your wheels, and excitement and making money. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in a Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you through email. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link right directly to
Peter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.